Easy Photoshop tips for creating seamless patterns. Start by making a square canvas of 1000 by 1000 pixels. Place your design and fill the entire canvas. Then go to Filter, Other, then Offset. Just make sure that your vertical and horizontal pixels are half the size of your canvas size. Then click OK. Then place a new design to fill up and complete the pattern. Make sure your design layers are merged. Then go to Edit and Define Pattern. Just rename the pattern now, then click OK. Now create a new document with a larger canvas. And create a new layer. Go to Edit, then click Fill. Make sure your contents is set to Pattern. Select the pattern that you created, enable script, then choose Brick Fill. Now all you have to do is customize the pattern scale to your liking. Click OK, and you're done. Here's the before and after. Thank you for your time. If you found this guide useful, please click the like button and subscribe to see more related content.